Hello everyone, here I have an old IBM ThinkPad T43 and today I'm gonna try to upgrade this laptop and attempt to fix the overheating issues, although I'm not really sure if it's gonna work. I mean, this laptop is notoriously known for overheating problems, so maybe my upgrade plan is not really the best, but regardless I'm gonna try to upgrade the CPU with a slightly faster Pentium M 770 running at 2.12 GHz. This CPU is only slightly faster and unfortunately we're stuck to single core CPUs on this platform. And this Pentium M is the fastest we can install. I'm also going to upgrade the RAM. I have here a 1GB DDR2 stick. This laptop only supports up to 2 gigs of RAM, so unfortunately we're stuck with that. So bad luck, I guess. I will also replace the CMOS battery. This laptop is not really the best platform for upgrade. If you're looking to buy a classic ThinkPad, I suggest going for a T60 or a T61. This laptop also has a design flaw where the south bridge is right under the Wi-Fi card and the solder cracks due to heating. The chipset already died on me once, so I did a reflow, and I think it's time to finally do something about it and fix the overheating issue. I mean, it gets so hot you can literally fry eggs on the trackpad. So the solution is to use a 40mm aluminum heatsink, which is gonna stay right on top of the south bridge and hopefully help dissipating the extra heat. And of course you'll have to remove the Wi-Fi card for that, but you can use something like an express card or a USB Wi-Fi card. Okay, so I suppose there is no going back, let's do this. By the way, as I mentioned before, I already did a reflow of the south bridge, so most of the screws are already removed, so I guess time lapse until I remove the remaining screws. I forgot to mention I also ordered an SSD. Unfortunately, that IDE PATA SSD adapter did not fit this laptop, so I had to order another one from China, which is specifically made for these old ThinkPads with IDE slots. Unfortunately though, it's gonna take like forever until it arrives, so I guess it is what it is. And looks like we're finally in. For this laptop it's also terribly annoying to access the motherboard or even that one stick of RAM, you know, that is located under the keyboard. Now I will remove the keyboard and also get rid of the palm rest. And as you can see, right under the palm rest we have the Wi-Fi card, which is right above the south bridge. But first I'm gonna deal with the CPU. As you can see, this heatsink is also anemic. It has only one pipe for the CPU, GPU and the chipset, and since those Pentium M processors are well known for overheating, I'm starting to be concerned about the CPU upgrade, but once again there's no going back. So I put my gloves on. I usually wear them since my hands can get sweaty and I don't want to risk shorting the board. I will also remove the battery and proceed with upgrading the RAM and the CPU. Okay, so this is the south bridge. Oh my god, you have no idea how cursed these chipsets are on the T43. So now my plan is to add this 40mm heatsink and stick it to the south bridge with a thermal pad. I know in theory it should work, but as you can see it's still touching some capacitors, so I need to make sure it's well insulated on the surface with a thermal pad. So I will try to cut the thermal pad in a way which covers the entire surface of the heatsink. If you decide to do this, please be very careful. Remember that aluminum has very good conductivity and you can fry your motherboard. So once again, please be very careful. So that's what it looks like. I guess I will reassemble everything and then come back. Okay, so everything is ready now. Let's see how our thermal solution works. So I guess now is the moment of truth, and let's turn on the laptop. So I guess it's posting just fine. I think everything works well for now. Of course, this solution is not ideal, but at the end of the day it's still better than nothing. While I set the BIOS date and before I conclude the video, I would like to reiterate that if you're considering purchasing a classic ThinkPad, I strongly recommend getting a T60 or a T61 instead, or even an R51, but don't go for any of the T40 series. With all the flaws and the thermal issues, it's just not worth it. But anyways, that's all for the video. Thank you very much for watching and see you later.